Surrender.
Oh shit, Chris. Thank you.
He's down.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Veterans for Airsoft 3rd Annual Charity Game hosted at Black Ops Airsoft in Bristol, Wisconsin. This event consists of 4 different factions: the Turks, bootleggers, civilians, and the infamous BotNet. The BotNet are the equivalent to Terminators. We do not call our hits unless we are fired upon by 3 individuals at the same time, hit by an MG, or down by a headshot. The only way to destroy us is to run up to us and pull our CPUs or to blow us up with a grenade. There are some extreme limitations to our abilities though. Just to list a couple, we cannot crouch and we can only walk. I'm not gonna lie and say that I know all the rules and I'm gonna list them off, because I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know all the rules. They always changed. We were always told different things either by our commander or by the refs and other players. So it was just a really confusing mess, and it kind of took away from me during the event. You really felt like the Terminator if you were on BotNet. The way you maneuvered, the way people feared you and shouted the Terminators were coming as you approached, it was really cinematic for me, and I hope I captured some of that in today's video. And before this video starts, I have one last announcement to make. Black Ops Airsoft is hosting an event called Colony Wars. This event lasts from August 20th to the 22nd. If you're interested, drop down below to that description. A bunch of information will be down there, as well as where you could buy your tickets. I will be on the Green Colony with Will, so I really do hope you guys enjoy this event, and I can't wait to see you then. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey. You see him?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. You want to push through and get him? Hey, they're to our left too. Yeah, we'll cut them off so they can't go left, and we'll pin them down. Let's kill them all. Good kills. Good leg shot on me. Look how well that worked, dude. Good shit. We're continuing the push in woods. We're behind you. Wait up. Hey, med, heal me. My bad. Medic, heal me. You're good if you don't have to, you're good. I'm up, you have 15 seconds. Oh shit! It's 10 feet.
Deal with it. I'm gonna stay here for like that.
10 feet.
Oh, he's alive.
It's good. We're in their spawn. Let's go get our group and push back. That was awesome. We tore them up. You could see movement. Try to not be spotted. Yeah, try not to be spotted. Just hold your fire. There's a bridge. Let's cross, then engage. Let's get behind him. wrong mag. God damn it. I got shot somewhere from the left. Are they all dead?
Nope.
That's sweet.
Still taking contact.
Where? Hey, someone tag him up. Oh, now you're good, bro. That's a tree you're shooting at. Behind that? Alright. Hit it. I need rev. Alright, they're all down. Good shots, guys. You don't know any? We could only walk. We could revive each other by touching. Grenades kill us, and also if you want to kill us, you pull our CPU, so you just run up and tag us when we're down. Yeah. Let's attack the base. See, look at that ambush. You can already see these guys in front of us that are about to get absolutely annihilated by our power. 12. Hey, yeah, make a line. Now let's push forward. Hey, they might have grenades. Keep moving. Stay spread. Push right, Rattle, push right. My bad. Did I not hit you? All right, go left, now go right.
Don't do it!
You want to just take it? Okay.
Dude, he was reloading right in front of you.
Right?
He was on the head. It's one shot head.
All right, well, have fun. 20-minute respawn. No, probably the best thing was there's Terminators coming. You guys like all start running and grabbing guns off the tables and shit. Thank you. Hey, contact left. Oh, that's LMG fire. I'm hit. Hey, bots. We got orders.
We gotta go reinforce the truck. They're disabled, left side of the street.
Hey, watch ahead of you. Right there, right there.
You got them all.
Watch left side, watch left side.
Gotcha.
Here, contact.
Who the f is shooting at me? Yeah, okay.
I can't hear. Copy, sorry. He's in, one down.
No visual on any others.
Tread lightly though.
He's done.
Machine gun.
Machine gun, machine gun.
Grenade, dead. Dead.
I got him. 10.
Moving. Good job.
I needed you too. Yeah, you were dead. You needed you.
20 feet away. Yeah, gotcha. Stop complaining about grenade rules. I know what 10 feet is.